Good morning. The topic of discussion in this lesson is morphochronology of India. As you all know that India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is a country with unique morphology, physiography, geology and structures. The geology of India is depicted in a vast stratigraphic sequence starting from Proterozoic era to recent periods. The term morphology is related to physiographic conditions. The term chronology is related to geochronology of various zones based on their relative ages of origins. Depending upon the formation, tectonic activities and geological events during the past. India is divided into 26 morphochronological orders. Joseph Scaliger in the late 15th century began the modern science of chronology. In Latin, morpho means form, chronos means time and logy means study or discover. Morphochronologists seek to understand why landscapes look the way they do, to understand the landforms, their history and dynamics. They predict future changes through a combination of field observations, physical experiments and numerical modeling. Geomorphology is studied within physical geography, geology, geodesy, engineering geology, archaeology and geotechnical engineering. Chronology is ordering a sequence based on their origin and occurrence, usually from earliest to most recent. The surface of Earth is modified by a combination of surface processes that sculpt landscapes and geological processes that cause tectonic uplift and subsidence. Surface processes comprise the action of water, wind, ice, fire and living things on the surface of the earth. Chemical reactions form soils and alter the material properties. The stability and rate of change of topography under the force of gravity and other factors is an everlasting phenomenon on earth. Many of these factors are strongly mediated by climate. Geological processes include the uplift of mountain ranges, the growth of volcanoes, isostatic changes in the land surface elevation. The Earth's surface and its topography, therefore, are an intersection of various climatic, hydrogeologic and biological processes happened with geological processes. The large-scale topographies of Earth illustrate this intersection of surface and subsurface action. There are morphochronological sequences identified in India. They are arranged from recent ones to oldest. In this lesson, the geochronological sequences of the following 5 periods, that is, eras, have been highlighted: Precambrian formations, Paleozoic formations, Mesozoic formations, Tertiary formations, Quaternary formations. Precambrian formations. The Archean rocks are the basement rocks lying below the Precambrian formation. The term Archean refers commonly to the very ancient formed rocks such as gneisses, schists and granites, which constitute the platform on which all sedimentary and metamorphic rocks formations lie. The schists and gneisses were formed due to the metamorphism of pre-existing igneous and sedimentary rocks. They are found to have been traversed by intrusive igneous bodies of acidic to ultra-basic composition. In some regions, the Archeans are made up of only sedimentary and metamorphites or mixture of para and orthoschists. Such rocks are commonly described in India as the Dharwarian rocks. The rocks belonging to the Archean groups are characteristically devoid of fossils. The Archeans in India are exposed in 2 sequences as Archean with unclassified crystalline and charnokites, Archean with granites and gneisses. Archean with unclassified crystallines and charnokites are the Archean rocks of unclassified crystalline and charnokites belong to the age approximately 3500 million years. They cover most of the southern part of India. They extend towards north covering Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, with patchy appearance in northeastern states and also found in some parts of Rajasthan and Gujarat. During this formation, there is no distinct life remains available in the rocks. The second sequence contains Archean with granites and gneisses. The classified Archean rocks of granites and gneisses are found mainly in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, with some patches in northeastern states and in parts of Rajasthan and Gujarat. There is no evidence of life in these sequences. The Archean are followed by Precambrian formations. The Precambrian rocks lie above the Archeans. These are well represented in different parts of the peninsula. In India, the Precambrian rocks have given rise to two distinct formations known as Kadapa and the Vindhyan systems, of which the latter is younger in age. Structurally, the older Kadapa system is more complicated than the younger Vindhyan system. Either of them, however, is practically devoid of fossils. Precambrian rocks in India are spread into three distinct units as Lower Precambrian, Precambrian and Upper Precambrian. Upper Precambrian to Lower Paleozoic and Precambrian to Lower Paleozoic. Lower Precambrian, that is Dharwar system and equivalent rocks. The Lower Precambrian rocks are found mainly in Karnataka, Goa, some patches in Tamil Nadu, crescent-shaped structures found in the state of Andhra Pradesh, majorly found in Orissa, Bihar, Rajasthan, with some patches found in Madhya Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Gujarat and northeastern parts of India. Lower Precambrian formations belong to the age ranging from approximately 2400 million years to 70 million years. During this period, the major geological event that took place were formation of Eastern Ghats and Dharwar Craton. Precambrian and Upper Precambrian, that is Kadapa, Dalma traps, iron ores, etc. The Precambrian and Upper Precambrian are almost associated with each other. They are found in a crescent-shaped structures in Andhra Pradesh and also found in parts of Orissa, Chhattisgarh, borders of Madhya Pradesh, South Maharashtra, few patches in Bihar, a north-south narrow stretch found in Rajasthan and South Delhi. Upper Precambrian to Lower Paleozoic. The Upper Precambrian to Lower Paleozoic zones are all associated with each other. They are associated with Precambrian and Upper Precambrian formations. These are found in Andhra Pradesh, which is enclosed with Precambrian formation, also found in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Rajasthan and in some northeastern parts of India. In this sequence, the earliest known formations containing few fossils were belonging to the age approximately 580 to 20 million years. Precambrian formations are followed by Paleozoic formations.